Ka College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai, Central Agriculture University Impal, harengkat ke jingas nok tilang bat ka Society for Biotic and Environmental Research Tripura. Henne ka sngi kala Plie ya kekela basau jong ka Biotic Science Congress and International Conference. Haba ai jingkren kum kongsan u Dr. Kotam Saha, Vice Chancellor ka BCKV, ula banjur halor ka jingper ha ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha ka than chatei lamingi. Kani ka program baarsngi halor kapang Climate Smart Farming, Adoption, Impacts and Implications for Sustainable Development. Katmu ban penroy ya kiching mud ki bathamai ki ban ai jing mentoy ya ka imlang salang jong ki start sayan bat ki nongrep ha ka we ka liang ka ban kentiu ya kiching mi ha ka liang karep karyang.
Nanoparticles are cryopreserved.
My dear friends, this is not climate change. This is the climatic variation. Some courses are there in only undergraduate level. This is very essential to teach the postgraduate and PhD level. Just to see the situation, atmospheric situation of this Umiam region. Only one crop, single rice crop is there based on rainfall.